Hello, today we're in Coventry.
Yes, and we picked a beautiful sunny day, so we're really looking forward to it.
Coventry was a shining example of a well-preserved medieval city, which was rebuilt following extensive damage during the war.
We start our tour outside the stunning Gothic-style council house, designed in 1913 to fit into its medieval surroundings. Alongside is the 17th century Golden Cross Inn, a dramatic medieval timber frame building with oversailing floors. From here, we get a spectacular view of the ruined Cathedral of St Michael, dating from the 14th century. The West Tower, which survived the Blitz, is 295 feet high.
Bailey Lane gives a sense of what the medieval city would have looked like, and includes the area's last remaining Tudor framed houses, and also the 14th century St Mary's Hall, with part of a 12th century castle in the south wall. Well worth a visit, where you can discover more of Coventry's history and the renowned Coventry tapestry.
The new cathedral, designed by Sir Basil Spence, features bold, clean lines of steel and concrete and symbolises reconciliation and peace. On the front is Jacob Epstein's 1958 bronze sculpture, St Michael's Victory over the Devil, his last completed work. The significance of the work is that St Michael's spear points upward, not towards the devil, signifying neither aggression nor revenge.
Looking around the ruin, it had a calm and reflective atmosphere. As the cathedral was left burning, 2 roof beams had fallen in the form of a cross, which can be seen in the new cathedral, which we will look at later in the video.
As we leave the cathedrals behind for now, we pass the second of Coventry's famous 3 spires, belonging to Holy Trinity Church, dating from the 12th century, and the only remaining complete medieval church in the city.
Broadgate features Lady Godiva on her naked ride through the city to protest her husband's oppressive taxes. Inscribed with Lord Tennyson's poem Godiva, nearby an animated Peeping Tom watches over her hourly ride around the Godiva clock.
The new city centre included one of Europe's first traffic-free shopping precincts, based on designs by Donald Gibson. Having begun a major redesign of the area, it is now an attractive and vibrant public space, with gardens and water features which pay homage to the original designs.
Leaving the shopping centre behind, we walk down Spond Street, which contains a number of pubs, cafes and shops in the original or relocated medieval buildings.
Heading back through the precincts, we next visit the old Blue Coat School building, rebuilt in 1856 in the Gothic style of a French chateau. The 2 towers embody bases of the ruined Priory of St Mary, which was the original cathedral of the city.
Next, we pass the water window, and Coventry's Walk of Fame with plaques including the 1987 FA Cup winning team.
Outside the Transport Museum is a statue of Coventry-born Sir Frank Whittle, inventor of the jet engine and the Whittle Arch, two steel arches built to resemble an aerofoil. And Swanswell Gate in Lady Herbert's garden, built in 1440, part of medieval Coventry's city walls, which had 32 towers and 12 gatehouses, once described as the best defended city in England outside of London. In 1662, King Charles II ordered the walls destroyed due to the support the city gave to the parliamentarians during the Civil War.
Finally, we head back to take a look inside the new cathedral, opened in 1962, a stunning example of Brutalist architecture at its very best.
It includes some stunning artwork and design features, including a huge tapestry of Christ and the magnificent baptistry window, which is comprised of 195 panes of stained glass.
Another favourite of ours is the great west window, known as the Screen of Saints and Angels, which gives a moving glimpse of the old cathedral from inside. Oh, I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, it's a big contrast, isn't there, between the old and the new? Yeah, it's really interesting. Well, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.